For painting baseboards above carpet, use a small angled brush for crisp edges and a short nap mini roller for a smooth, spray-like finish. Start by cutting in with a high-quality angled synthetic brush using steady, light strokes that follow the board grain to avoid visible brush marks. Keep a folded painter's cloth or low-tack painter's tape at the carpet edge and press the carpet down gently with a putty knife or a cabinet scraper to create a small gap so paint does not transfer to fibers. After the edge is crisp, load a small microfiber or foam mini roller with thin, well-mixed paint and roll along the board in overlapping strokes from one end to the other to blend brush marks and achieve an even sheen. Work in sections no longer than 2 to 3 feet so the brush and roller work while the paint is still wet for seamless blending. Use light pressure with the roller and avoid overloading it, which causes drips that can migrate onto carpet. If you see a drip, smooth it immediately with the brush and remove excess with a rag. Keep a damp bucket of warm water for water-based paints to rinse roller naps and brushes between sections so the finish stays consistent. Common mistakes include using only a brush, which can leave visible strokes and a less uniform gloss, so follow with a small roller to marry the finish. Another issue is letting paint build up on the carpet edge because the carpet was not compressed. Press the carpet down firmly and remove any stray fibers before starting and clean any stray paint immediately with warm water for water-based products. A third frequent problem is overloading the roller, which causes splatter and drips onto the carpet, so always roll off excess paint onto a tray and work with light passes while keeping a damp cloth handy for prompt cleanup. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who are actively seeking projects and allows us to host a discussion community where people exchange practical job site tips and product experiences. We help homeowners find contractors and help contractors find work by keeping a central place for listings and peer-to-peer advice.